first one I pulled out. And the second one, well, things happened. I broke a 3/4 cable, but I was able to patch it up, and the second tree is out. And I'm happy about it. I'm going to see if I can pull it out one-handed here. Just so you can see. Yeah, nothing's in the way. Perfect. Downhill, very good. Get away from my septic system. Trees like this, tall. It's unfortunate, but it also is, I don't know, I'll probably get a good cord of this one tree. So, good thing. There we go. Just not only lying in a room, did I get that? That maple's going to stay there. Good. Yeah, so we got name on this tree, so I'm not going to lose it. No. So, there's a first oak here, not quite as big, but the second one, actually it was probably the same amount of wood. This one's a little bit longer, but yeah, no. Probably get 2 nice cord of oak out of these trees. So that was the last part I had to do before cleaning way up there, bringing everything down for the septic bed, which is right here. Can't see it right now, but that's the last thing I wanted to do up there before kind of closing this hill up and then closing the septic bed up, finishing it up. Well, it was a good prosperous day, I would